Thailand, the ideal conference destination. Thailand is strategically located in the heart of Southeast Asia, with Suvarnabhumi Airport in Bangkok as the aviation hub. It welcomes more than 100 international airlines, with direct flights connecting to 170 cities all over the world. Furthermore, delegates can enjoy the convenience of fast-track customs and immigration procedures. Traveling to the city center takes only 15 minutes with the airport rail link. Delegates can also crisscross the city safely and conveniently with the BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway. World-renowned, superior, incomparable accommodation can be found in Bangkok and all regions of Thailand, from top-class hotels to standard budget-price premises, with a variety of styles and prices to choose from. Thailand is well equipped with numerous state-of-the-art convention venues that can facilitate all sizes and kinds of international events. These are found in Bangkok and major well-known tourist cities in the various regions throughout the country. Chosen as a venue for many prestigious conferences. So choose Thailand, a land that is full of amazing tourist attractions, warm smiles of friendliness, a venue that can create a spectacular convention and unforgettable memory. We look forward to welcoming you to Thailand.